The next 10 exercises I'm about to show you are great for targeting your muffin top and working your waistline. Hi, I'm Gabby. Welcome back to TaylorToned Fitness YouTube channel. If you've not already hit subscribe, go ahead, do that right now so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video. Today we have a 10-minute follow along workout. As I said, this is all about your waistline. We're working your internal, external obliques, your abdominals. It is going to be a great waistline burner. It's super easy to follow along, and here is the 10 exercises. Exercise 1 is a mountain climber variation where the right leg is the working leg. Next up, you have a side plank where the right side of your waist is the working side, then into a Russian twist, just twisting to the right side, then into a underneath leg lift. This one's a really great one, and you've got the right side of your waist working, and then we're going to go into a wood chopper. So we're going to work down the right side of the body, and then we're going to work back up and go left sided wood chopper, then into that leg lift underneath, left side of your waist working, Russian twist, left side, and then back into a side plank where the left side of the body is working, and then finally into that mountain climber variation, left leg works. But do not panic, it is so easy to follow along, and I will talk to you the whole way through this to keep up your energy. This is 10 minutes, 1 minute per exercise, and you've probably worked out you get 0 breaks today. But we're going to push through those barriers and we're going to get you that waist that you really want. Let's get straight into the workout. I'm just going to quickly show you what your first exercise is. Hands under the shoulders, feet step back. The right leg goes across, through center, round to the side. We're going to go for that in just another 5 seconds. So it's the right leg doing all that work. We're going 3, 2, 1. Go right leg across the body, through the center, round to the side, push back. Across the body, through the center, round to the side, push back. If you need a little tap of the toe between each movement, you can do, but remember, it's just the right leg here doing all the work. Across, center, side, you've got it. Across, center, round to the side. Nice deep breath, inhale. Nice deep breath, exhale, stick with me. After this, you have your side plank coming up, and the right side of your waist is working. Side, push back, across, in, side, push it back, cross, in, side. How badly do you want that new waist today? Commit to your workout with me. You have another 10 more seconds here. Take a quick breather. Feel those abs working. 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight away, roll on towards your right side, right forearm down, and then you're going to stack the feet, push the hips up, lift this arm to the ceiling. Then a lift. Top hip, press into the ceiling. If you need the modification here, underneath knee, down to the floor. Wherever you are, stick with me. Lift the hip, lift, keep going, and then come over here, lift, squeeze. So this left hip bone pushes it up to the ceiling. The hips are completely stacked. Lift, squeeze, up, you've got it. Lift up, you've got 25 more seconds left to go here. I know you can do it. Right elbow underneath your right shoulder, right side of your waistline working. You've got 15 more seconds, and then we're going into a Russian twist, and we're just twisting to the right side. Keep going. Go 8, lift, little presses. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Bring the feet in front of yourself. Right side works. Hands clasped together. Press your lumbar spine down to the floor. Right side. Right side. So this is really great for working your obliques, working on your waist, getting you that hourglass figure. We go twist, center, twist. Well done. Now you want to be right now pressing your lumbar spine down to the floor. You've got a C shape with your spine, working your abdominals. Twist, center, twist over, center. 25 more seconds here, left to go. So we're going, working our obliques here, getting rid of that muffin top. Go twist to the right, twist to the right. Imagine your feet are glued on the floor. You cannot move them. Twist, center. Is it burning? Yeah, here we go. Twist, center, keep going. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift up. Right side still needs to work. Lower down onto your left forearm. Right hand in front, and then from here, both the legs extend. Lift your right leg, tap it up, release, drop back down. Top leg lifts, tap it up, back down again. Lift, release, tap, up, tap, release. Lower down now. This may seem impossible, but it's not. If you need the modification, top leg just comes not far off the floor. I did this one about 2 days ago now, and my obliques, they feel great today. They feel like they've really worked and really engaged. So this, even though it's hard, it does work. Up. You have another 7 more seconds left to go here, and then we're going to get off the floor, go to wood chopper. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Carefully tuck the toes underneath, walk the hands up, feet under the hips. You're going to reach the hands up, cross, lift, cross, lift, cross. So now is the time to get your cardio working. We go up, chop. So it's like you're chopping, so what? Chop, lift, chop. So after this, we're going to repeat this exact exercise, but we're going to chop the other way. Up, chop. So you're going in that diagonal line. You're putting all your force into your imaginary axe. You see that on YouTube? Not really sure. We go up, chop. Keep going. You've got 20 more seconds here left to go. You want to bend the knees as you drop. Lift, bend, lift, bend. Keep going. You've got another 10. I'm definitely feeling it right now. Keep going. You've got another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No time for a breather. Other side. So you want to again chop that imaginary wood up. Definitely feeling it right now. After this, back down to the floor. We're going into that underneath leg lift, but you want the other side this time working. So you're going to lay on your right forearm and lift the left side up, down, keep going. 25 more seconds left to go. How much more energy can you put into this? So as you twist, that is when you're working the waist. As you twist, keep going. We're going down towards the floor. 10 more seconds. It's so good worth, everyone. I know you're burning. I know the heart rate's up. 5, 4, keep going. 2, 1. Well done. Down to the floor. You must have the opposite forearm to the one you just had on the floor. Lift, tap, release, drop. Lift, tap, release, drop down. I cannot tell you how much I really felt this one after I did it. I felt so engaged. I felt like I had a brand new waist. So really commit to this one. Leg lifts, try and tap your toe, drop, release. Your upper body stays so super still. Just the legs here working. Originally, I had this in an inner thigh video, but then I woke up the next day and I was like, whew, that was a great one for really working my obliques, really working my abs. You're going 10 more seconds. Drop back down. So now after this, we're going to go into your Russian twist, but we're going to take it the other way. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Lift yourself all the way up. Feet come back down. Bring the hands, clasp them together. Lumbar spine down to the floor. Twist to the left. So last time you twisted to the right side. If you didn't twist to the right the first time round, whichever way you went, make sure you go in the opposite way. Twist. You'll notice I have a gorgeous C shape in the spine. That is to protect my vertebrae here and really get into those abdominals. Twist. You've got it. Twist. So the hips stay still. The legs are trying to stay as still as possible. It's just the waistline twisting. You have another 15 more seconds left to go. Keep breathing. Inhale, exhale, twist, center. We've got 10 more seconds here. really bring out that waistline. Say bye-bye fat. We go twist. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Here, you're going to come into a side plank. You need to bring your left forearm down and then one hand in front of yourself, and from here you can either put the underneath knee down or extend both the legs. Reach the top hand high, little tiny lift, 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 and up. Also, one of my favorite exercises for giving you an hourglass figure, drawing the waistline in. I always feel after I've skipped this exercise for maybe a week or 2, I really feel a difference, not only in my waist, but I feel it in my lower back. Do you know when you get that bra bulge? I feel like I'm developing that after I've not done side plank for a little while. Keep pushing, 20 more seconds here. So I'm pressing the hip to the ceiling. Modification, you are here with the underneath knee bend. We go up and up. If anybody would like me to do a side plank tutorial, let me know. Down below, go up, go up. You've got it. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Final thing. Hands come back underneath the shoulders, tuck the toes under, mountain climber variation. Left leg across, center, side, back, across, center, side, back. Keep going. Now if you want this more modified, take it a little bit slower, tap the toe over time. If you really feel like burning today, you're feeling super strong, the left leg, it stays off the floor. Ooh, and that is a burner to finish off. You've got it, everyone. You can so do this. But if I can, yes I can. Come on, let's go. Out to the side. Ooh, 20 more seconds left to go. Squeezing that knee across. Ooh, you're going 15. I am burning with you too. I absolutely promise that. Cross, center, push. 8 more seconds. Ooh, press. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was a good waistline workout. Well done. Let's take some stretches. Bringing your hips onto your heels. Your left hand reaches over the top of the body. All the way over. Side stretch. Should feel it right down the side of your waist. Lift this left arm back up again. Right hand goes over the top. You can take this standing here if you don't like having your knees on the floor. All the way back up. We're going to take a high release. The hands come behind the back. You're just going to lift the chest up. Stretch out the chest and the abdominals and breathe. Oh. Let's take a downward dog. I'm feeling like a downward dog day today. I need a good stretch off. Tuck both the toes under. Then I want you to press the heels down to the floor. So you're going to lift the hips high. Press the chest down. And hold. Like you're trying to create a V shape here with your body, but it's an upside down V. Just feel it through the legs to the back. Walk the hands in towards the feet. And then bend the knees. Stretch all the way, roll through the vertebrae. And then, well done in your workout today. If you're wondering, I didn't mention why I'm wearing bright yellow and blue socks today. I just thought it might be easier for you to see what my feet were doing down below. And also to give you all a laugh. Make sure you hit subscribe. Let me know what you want to see down below. Leave me a workout idea. I can do anything you want. See you again next time. Drop me a like. Bye.